Join me as I dive deep into the Quran and authentic Hadith to uncover the secrets of self-reflection. Let's see what wisdom we can find together. Self-reflection is a crucial element of personal growth, and it's an aspect that's deeply rooted in the Quran and Hadith. The Quran and Hadith are filled with verses and narrations that emphasize the importance of self-reflection. In Surah Al-Qasas, verse 29, Allah says, "And indeed, you are of a great moral character." This verse is a reminder to us that we have the capacity for self-reflection, and that it's our responsibility to nurture and develop our character. In another verse, Allah says, "O you who have believed, fear Allah and keep your duty to Him. And let every soul look to what it has sent forth for the morrow." This verse is a call to action, urging us to reflect on our actions and to take responsibility for our own spiritual growth. Similarly, in a hadith narrated by Imam Bukhari, the Prophet Muhammad said, "A believer is a mirror to his brother. If he sees any fault in him, he should correct it." This hadith reminds us that self-reflection is not only about examining our own actions, but also about helping others to reflect on theirs. It's about creating a support system where we can grow and learn from each other. One of the most powerful insights I've gained from self-reflection is the realization that our flaws and weaknesses are not defects, but rather opportunities for growth and improvement. When we take the time to reflect on our mistakes, we can identify areas where we need to improve, and work on developing our character accordingly. This process of self-reflection has not only helped me to become a better version of myself, but it's also deepened my connection with Allah. For me, self-reflection is a daily practice that I try to incorporate into my life. Whether it's during my morning prayers, or before I go to sleep, I take a few moments to reflect on my actions, my thoughts, and my feelings. I ask myself questions like, what did I learn today? What am I grateful for? And what can I improve on tomorrow? These simple questions have helped me to stay grounded, focused, and committed to my goals. In conclusion, the Quran and Hadith are filled with wisdom on the importance of self-reflection. By making self-reflection a regular practice, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves, our relationships, and our faith. Let's commit to taking the time to reflect on our actions, our thoughts, and our feelings, and to use this reflection as a catalyst for personal growth and spiritual development. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with self-reflection that have had a profound impact on your life? Share them with us, and let's continue the conversation. Don't forget to tune in to my next video, where I'll be sharing practical tips on how to incorporate self-reflection into your daily routine.